Hello everyone, welcome to Mocking Sapien. My name is Tanay and today we are going to talk about the Dharavi model in containing coronavirus, which the BMC applied. So Dharavi is the largest slum in Asia. It has a population of around 8.5 lakhs and a population density of around 3.6 lakh per square kilometer. 3.6 lakh. So the Dharavi was a ticking bomb in terms of the coronavirus. Everyone was worried that once it starts spreading there, it's gonna just blow up after that. The cases are just gonna surge. But the BMC, Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, managed to control it. And I'm saying BMC, not the Maharashtra government. Nahi to people will start off, you Congressy, ye sala Congressy, this, that. So I'm saying BMC. A little bit of credits will go to the Maharashtra government, but most of the credits to the BMC. Because if Maharashtra government got the credits, then the whole of Maharashtra should have less cases. But that's not the case. So the BMC did a really great job in controlling the cases in Dharavi. Social distancing in Dharavi is almost impossible. 80% of the public use common toilets. The first case came out on 1st of April and by the end of the month 491 cases came and the doubling rate was around 18 days. In the month of May, 1216 cases came with around 56 deaths. In the month of May, the doubling rate was 43 days and in the month of June, the doubling rate is 78 days. The daily rise cases in Dharavi is in single digits now. Single digits in Dharavi. So you can see how effectively did they do it. So what did they do so that they control the virus over there? First thing, effective containment strategy, effectively isolating areas. Then second thing they did was testing. Testing kiya bhai. And the third one, uninterrupted supply of essentials. Essentials dena mangta hai bhai logo ko. So that they don't become crazy and then they start breaking norms and all that. So essentials are important. So these three things they did. But it wasn't only these three things that they did containment and all. And बाकी सब राम भरोसे वैसे नहीं हुआ भाई. थोड़ा और काम किया है. आजकल तो सभी राम भरोसे चालू है. So what did they do other than this? Tracing, tracking, testing and treating. The 4 T's of containing coronavirus. Just kidding. So these 4 things they did and they did it aggressively. ऐसे नहीं कि हाँ हाथ दो थोड़ा देख लिया वैसा कुछ वैसा नहीं. They traced so aggressively. Now just see how they screened people. 47,500 door-to-door, 3,224 fever camps, 11,000 people in municipal dispensaries, 1,21,000 people in senior citizen survey and 1,75,000 in private clinics. So this large amount of screening they did and they tested almost everyone who was in high risk of getting coronavirus, whether they had symptoms or they didn't have symptoms. As of now, there are 2,359 cases in Dharavi, out of which only 166 are active and around 1952 have recovered and there are 70 to 80 deaths. So this is how much they have managed to control it in a place like Dharavi. So this is how aggressively you need to test, trace, track, treat. Starting from the lockdown, everyone is going on fucking shouting, do this, tracing, contact tracing, treating. नहीं भाई, हम सिर्फ लॉकडाउन करेंगे अब और कुछ नहीं करना है हमें लाइफ में. लॉकडाउन कर दिया ना. If it can be done in a place like Dharavi, why can't it be done in the whole of India? What is stopping the people? It's just the government's efforts which are lacking in doing this. Dharavi is getting control, but other places may just on a roll. So this shows that how much government intervention matters and how they can actually stop it. नहीं भाई, government तो सिर्फ lockdown करेंगे. Like how South Korea and Germany did, they just didn't do lockdown. They did other things like tracing, testing and all these things. नहीं, सिर्फ lockdown. क्योंकि Mahabharat and coronavirus are the same thing. Mahabharat was won in 18 days and coronavirus का जंग will be won in 21 days. Lockdown कर दिया ना भाई. Be satisfied. Just be satisfied. Because of the government's failures to take these steps, now it's growing again and again the states have started to impose lockdowns. Again they are imposing lockdowns. करना ही क्या है अभी, सिर्फ लॉकडाउन डालो. हैं, हमें तो कुछ काम धंधा तो है नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं है, दूसरों को तो है ना. उनको तो काम पैसा चाहिए ना, पैसा चाहिए. People will go incomeless and they won't have jobs. It's fine. We won't even give you proper relief in terms of monetary relief. That also we won't give you. You handle yourself. By the way, did you know that milk has almost all the nutrients of vegetables, pulses, everything? Everything ka nutrients. You can just survive on milk for your life. Did you know that? Ajit Pawar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra and the party member of NCP, National Congress Party. If you don't know which party NCP is, they have an alliance with the Congress in Maharashtra. So NCP is a big party in Maharashtra. So right now Shiv Sena, NCP and Congress have an alliance, and this is how the government is functioning here. And NCP always ties up with Congress. So Ajit Pawar takes this decision in Pune, puts a lockdown for 10 days. In the first 5 days, medical shops, hospitals and only dairies will be open. Only milk supplies can happen. How does their mind function? I don't know, man. This Ajit Pawar, he can only use his head in the fucking irrigation scam, I guess. 35,000 crores vanish. Usme dimag lagega, but these people don't want to do micromanagement. They want to just do lockdowns and stupid lockdowns like these. And because of this, one more thing happened was again panic buying started. Because 5 days you won't get vegetables, rice and all. Shops were just filled with them because of this decision. How can you possibly come up with that? Essentials also you are going to restrict it for 5 days. Kahan se aa jate yaar? Ajit Pawar and the whole Pawar family actually. Are bhai, full on legends there in scams and all. Are kya baat? I'm going to make a video on them once. When Modi had imposed the lockdown, he said essentials will be open. Ajit Pawar takes it a step ahead. Essentials भी नहीं भाई, दूध पियो, मजे में रहो, survive on दूध. Government, all of them now, all some same namunas there. Modi ji is on a roll of praising UP. He starts comparing UP to Brazil in coronavirus. UP has only 800 deaths and Brazil has 65,000 deaths or something, and population is same. अरे भाई, ये कैसा comparison है भाई? Like, take anything which is convenient for your opinion and just put it in front of people. GDP को compare करो थोड़ा यार. GDP compare करो ब्राजील का, यूपी का, और ब्राजील का और इंडिया का also भाई. वो नहीं करेंगे. Take one thing and on your opinion, put it there. How can you possibly do that? In the middle they had this thing also. They took many countries with a lot of coronavirus cases, totaled them up, and then they are like, combined of all these also is not equal to India's. So they'll take the countries with highest affected and then they'll compare it to India and say like how much better we are doing. अरे यार, public क्या चूते है क्या? Stupidity this is. And okay, let's come to UP. UP के बारे में, see the graph over here where UP is, man, in terms of tests done per million people. Where are other? How can you possibly say that they're doing well? They fucking low it is over here. Around 4,500 or 5,000 tests per million people they are doing. अरे यार, छोड़ो भाई. Examples of Kerala and all, they won't give. Only UP, because Yogi का डंडा सबसे effective. So what I want to basically say is that the Dharavi model is a very effective model, and if applied, till now at least, the Dharavi model has proven to be effective. And if the government starts taking efforts in the right directions, it can be controlled. With a population density of 3.5 lakhs per square kilometer, it's being controlled. Why not in normal thousands? It is so possible, but nahi. The only thing is the effort of the government and taking steps in the wrong direction. They think the right thing is lockdown. Hey, bhai, lockdown. So let this BMC be an inspiration to us and see how this progresses elsewhere. Because just imposing lockdowns is not gonna solve anything. It is not going to. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. वैसे के वैसे रहेगा and keep growing. Economic impact will have also, and coronavirus cases will also increase. We have the resources. We have the sense. It's just the efforts which are missing. That's the only thing we need to do now. वही करो. बस. बाकी सब राम भरोसे. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.